The Trust GXT491P Faso wireless gaming headset is a versatile and affordable option for gamers seeking a reliable audio solution. Design and comfort. The headset features a lightweight design with ample padding on the ear cups and headband, ensuring comfort during extended gaming sessions. Its over-ear design effectively reduces ambient noise, enhancing the immersive experience. Audio performance. Equipped with 50mm drivers, the GXT491P delivers clear and powerful audio. The virtual 7.1 surround sound feature enhances spatial awareness, providing a competitive edge in gaming. Connectivity. The headset supports dual wireless connectivity, allowing simultaneous connections to a PC or console via a 2.4 GHz USB receiver and to a smartphone or Nintendo Switch via Bluetooth. This dual connectivity enables users to enjoy in-game audio while receiving calls or listening to music without the need to switch devices. Microphone. The detachable microphone provides clear communication with teammates. While it is adequate for casual gaming, it may not meet the high standards required for professional streaming or content creation. Battery life. The headset offers up to 22 hours of battery life, ensuring extended gaming sessions without frequent recharging. It utilizes USB-C charging, allowing for quick and convenient power-ups. Overall, the Trust GXT491P Faso wireless gaming headset provides a solid balance of performance and affordability. Its dual wireless connectivity, comfortable design, and satisfactory audio quality make it a commendable choice for gamers seeking a budget-friendly yet reliable headset. Thank you so much.